Good morning students. Welcome back to the online classroom offered by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Today we will be dealing with the remaining questions from exercise 13.3 all about conversion of solid from one shape to another. Let us see the 7th question. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm high and with radius of base 18 cm is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find the radius and slant height of the heap. Height of the cylindrical part of the bucket is 32 cm. Radius of the circular end of the bucket is equal to 18 cm. Okay, and height of the cone is 24 cm. Now, first you have to find which are the solid shapes related in this question. Here, the solid shapes are a cylinder and a cone. Now, so that you will equate the volume of the cylinder to volume of the cone. Let's see. We know that the volume of the sand in the cylindrical bucket will be equal to the volume of sand in the conical heap. So, here we are equating volume of the cylinder to volume of the cone. What is volume of the cylinder? It is pi r squared h. We'll take the radius of cylinder as r1 and height of the cylinder as h1. Radius of the cone as r2 and height of the cone as h2. So, using the formula for volume of the cone and volume of the cylinder, we will get pi 18 square into 32 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r2 square into 24. Simplifying, that is pi and pi get cancelled, and simplifying you will get r2 is equal to 36 centimeter. R2 is equal to 36 centimeter. Students, you can see if you draw a cone and mark h as the height, L as the slant height and R as the radius, you can see that it forms a right angled triangle. And we know that slant height L is equal to root of r square plus h square. Using that formula, you are finding the slant height of the cone, root of r square plus h square. The answer is 12 root 13. 12 root 13 centimeter. Slant height is equal to 12 root 13 centimeter. So here in this question we have two shapes, the cylindrical part and the conical part. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cone. Let's see the next question. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Students, this is an indirect question. This is an indirect question. Water in a canal. You will take the water in a canal as a cuboidal shape. It is given that the canal is in the shape of a cuboid with dimensions. Breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. Length is not given because the water is constantly flowing there. So what will you do? It is also given that the speed of canal is 10 km per hour. So you will take for 1 hour. 1 hour it goes 10 km. Length of the canal covered in 1 hour is equal to 10 km. Length of the canal covered in 60 minutes. Why did you take 60 minutes? Because in your question it is 30 minutes asked. So we have converted 1 hour to 60 minutes. In your question, it is asked about 30 minutes. That's why we have converted 1 hour to 60 minutes. Length of canal covered in 1 hour is equal to 10 kilometer. That is what you call as speed, isn't it? Length of canal covered in 60 minutes is equal to 10 kilometer. So what will be the length of the canal covered in 1 minute? 10 by 60. Isn't it? 10 by 60. That is 1 by 6. So length of canal covered in 30 minutes. Length of canal covered in 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60 into 10. That is 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. We know that the canal is cuboidal in shape. Okay. Length of the canal is cuboidal in shape. So volume is L into B into H. L into B into H. So 5000 into 6 into 1.5 meter cube. 5000 into 6 into 1.5. Students, 5000 we got as the length of the canal covered in 30 minutes. That is because you are asked about 30 minutes. It is 45,000 meter cube. Now, volume of water in canal is equal to volume of area irrigated. Volume of area, will take it as again a cuboidal shape, that is area irrigated into height. Area irrigated into height. So, volume of canal is equal to L into B into H. 45,000 is the volume of the canal. Area irrigated into 8 centimeters. You can see 8 centimeter of standing water is needed because in that area you need a height of 8 centimeter still water. That's why we take H as 8 centimeter. 45,000 into area irrigated into 8 by 100. Why 8 by 100? It is centimeter here. All other measurements are in meter. So you converted it into meter. All other we have converted into meters. So we will convert 8 centimeter to meter. That is 8 by 100 meter. So area irrigated is 45,000 divided by 0.08. That is 56.25 hectares. That means, what is this? 5,62,500 meter square. How will you convert meter square to hectares? Divide by 10,000. Okay? Divide by 10,000. So 5,62,500 meter square is equal to 56.25 hectares. Okay? Hope you understood the answer. Read it well. Revise it. Then only you will get the concept of this question. You have one more question. We'll find it in the next video.